Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is means of transport. Students, we need to go from one place to another for different things. We use vehicles to travel from one place to another. They are called as means of transport. Means of transport क्या होते हैं? That we use to go from one place to another. And we use different kind of transport for this purpose. There are different type of transport like air transport, water transport, rail transport, road transport. All these are used for different purposes. In today's session, we will understand all of them. First is road transport. When we use vehicles that run on the road to cover our distance or move from one place to another, we use road transport like cars, buses, scooters, auto, etc. All these are road transport. They all run on the road. That is why road transport. The next is rail transport. They move on rails. Trains, metros, bullet trains, etc. are kind of rail transport. They do not move on road. They move on rails. Railway tracks are maintained for these. They are rail transport. The next is water transport. The vehicles which run on water are water transport like ships, boats, etc. We take help of water transport to go to far places. They are cheaper as compared to air transport. The next is air transport. When we take help of aeroplane, helicopter that run in the air, जो air में vehicles run करते हैं, वो air transport कहलाते हैं. They are used for purpose when we go to far places. जब हमें दूर travel करना होता है, then we use rail transport, water transport or air transport. The cheapest one is water transport and rail transport. Air transport जो होता है वो थोड़ा सा expensive होता है as compared to both of them. So we understood about the four type of transport: road, rail, air and water. Let us discuss the few examples for all of these. Car and buses are examples of road transport. Bullet trains and trains are examples of rail transport. Boats and ships are examples of water transport. Helicopter and aeroplane are examples of air transport. Students, mostly vehicles need fuel to move. उनको one place से दूसरे place पे जाने के लिए fuel की need होती है. So, when we need to cover the shorter distance, we walk or we take vehicles which do not use fuel such as cycle. So, when we go to shorter place or at shorter distance, we either go by walk, by foot or by cycles. That's all for today's session of means of transport. We should be very careful while using means of transport. That's all for today's session.